Okay, this is a 1977. I believe it's an FC33. It has been upgraded to air suspension and a turbo. Passenger windshield. It's got low air in the front tires, but I've been told they will hold air for a little while. Receiver hitch. Onan 7.5 kilowatt diesel generator. Storage. There's an awning. I don't think this is a zip D awning. No Raycor. More storage. Two captain's chairs on the right side. So this is consistent with a 33. And then there is some furniture here with, I don't know what that is. Oh, there's a bar under here. All right. Yeah. So there is a turbo here. It was modified for that. This wasn't an option in 1977, so this is a back to Bluebird for modification. I don't know what this black box is. That dash is a little simpler looking. No backup camera. No leveling jacks. Smaller bath, dinette, ice maker, 4-burner stove, Magic Chef oven. It's a gas oven. No microwave. Oh no, there's a microwave back here. I'm gonna set this down for a second. It does not have a safe. Has a Thermador microwave. No, actually it's some kind of an oven. All right, Thermotronic. I don't know what this is. It does have a three-way fridge. Top door opens. I couldn't get the bottom door to open. I'm not going to fight with it. It's a Domatec. It's a twin bed layout. And they have a piece to go across it. That's interesting. So somebody converted to a king bed. I don't know what's going on with that. All right, so this is the roof. There's a vent that's missing. Luggage rack's been removed. Probably another vent issue. Roof air cowling is trashed, and the back one's missing.